Sa NOC 2016 system, ang mga occupations ay nahahati sa 5 skill levels. NOC 0, the management jobs. Mga halimbawa, restaurant managers, mine managers, shore captains, at iba pa. NOC A, professional jobs. Kadalasang trabahong nangangailangan ng university degree like doctors, dentists, architects, nurses, at iba pa. NOC B, the technical jobs and skilled trades. Ito yung mga trabahong kadalasang nangangailangan ng college diploma or apprenticeship training. Mga halimbawa, supervisors, chefs, plumbers, electricians, at iba pa. NOC C, intermediate jobs. Kadalasang nangangailangan ng high school or specific job training. Mga halimbawa, long-haul truck drivers, food and beverage servers, at iba pa. NOC D, labor jobs. Ito yung mga trabahong kadalasang on-the-job training ang ibinibigay. Mga halimbawa, cleaning staff, food counter attendants, farmers, fish plant workers, at iba pa.